Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're super excited to be unboxing and taking for its first flight the brand new budget-friendly L600 Pro drone by LYZRC. This bad boy boasts some impressive features for its price point, so let's dive right in and see what it's all about. Alright, first things first, let's get this guy out of the box. We've got the drone itself, the controller, a spare battery, charging cables, and a whole bunch of manuals and spare parts. It looks like LYZRC didn't skimp on anything here. Let's take a quick look at the remote controller. It's got a familiar layout with joysticks for control, dedicated buttons for takeoff, landing, and camera functions, and a handy return to home button. The phone holder at the top allows you to connect your smartphone for real-time FPV viewing and app control. Now, let's take a closer look at the L600 Pro itself. This sleek, silver gray drone folds up nicely for easy travel, perfect for throwing in your backpack and taking with you on adventures. It's surprisingly lightweight at just under 280 grams, making it great for beginners who are still learning. to put this bad boy to the test. The weather today is a bit windy, which is definitely beyond the capabilities of the stabilization system. Flying in visual control mode is still possible, but FPV mode is best left for another day. Overall, I'm very impressed with the LYZRC L600 Pro GPS drone. It's a great budget-friendly option for anyone looking for a feature-rich and easy-to-fly quadcopter. I highly recommend it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I have a lot more interesting content planned for the future, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.